Hey guys, good morning. Here to tell you a little bit about a tea that I'm about to make. It's Lipton Earl Grey flavored black tea. Side here it says a moment to energize. You can get these in a box with a pack of, I believe, 24 or maybe more than that. Okay, so on the back it says Earl Grey. Did you know our tea is Rainforest Alliance certified? To find out more about what we do, you can visit www.rainforestalliance.org, ufs.com/Lipton. And they have this little label here, Rainforest Alliance certified black tea. So it tells you here, boil to 100 degrees Celsius, add your tea bag, steep for 2 to 3 minutes. So very, very simple to make. Very easy to open. They have slits in the sides of these, so you could just rip these and take the tea bag out. I'll do right now. So you just unwrap the string. There we go. Pull this right out. It has the Lipton label here. Join us Facebook/Lipton. And then it has that moment to energize label on there too. And you can see the tea through it. So I use the Keurig machine, but I know a lot of people will actually just boil their water. But if you have a Keurig, you're only making 1 cup instead of having to boil an entire kettle of tea. I think that this is just a little bit easier. So put my tea bag in. Then it asks me, dispense hot water. Yes. 2 10 ounces. Start. It has a really delicious flavor too, and the black tea of course has caffeine, and I'm not feeling so great this morning. My throat's hurting a little bit, so for the Earl Grey, it has like kind of a strong flavor, and instead of doing coffee I wanted to do tea because like I said my throat hurts. So with the Earl Grey maybe I'll just add a little bit of honey to it. It has enough flavor to just have it on its own, but just because my throat's bothering me I'm going to be adding a little bit of honey. And I do almond milk, but you guys could do milk, sugar, whatever you think. So it's already done brewing. I'm just going to leave it steeping for 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. But like I said, you guys could of course use a kettle or whatever you use to boil water. This is just easier for me because it takes 2 seconds. I don't have to get out the teapot or anything. So just leave it steeping. You can see the color is like a nice brown. Lipton's been around forever. I love them. They're a really great brand, and they have so many different teas that I buy. They have green tea, peppermint, chamomile. They're all really good. I haven't tried one yet that I don't like. And of course they're regular lemon, but I tend to go towards like other flavors, not just typical lemon. But you could also, if you're not feeling good, you could add a squeeze of lemon or honey to this tea, and that'll be really good too. So I might go ahead and do that. Okay, so my tea is finished steeping. It's all ready to go. The only ingredients in here are Earl Grey tea, of course, and aroma. Lipton Earl Grey tea delivers a rich and full-bodied black tea experience with refined bergamot flavor and a touch of mangold petals. So it has a little bit of a floral taste. I did double check, and it comes with 25 in a pack, and you can order packs with from 2 to 4, so that would be like 100 in total if you were to get a pack of 4, because they each have 25 tea bags. So that would of course last you a while, and it's just a really great product if you want to have it every day, if you switch on and off with tea and coffee like I do. So this was Lipton Earl Grey tea, flavored black tea. Hope you found the video useful, and I hope you guys try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching.